Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to use a Moto AI feature called Remember This on your Motorola Fold Razr. This feature will automatically save some of your important things like that you wanted to save. So that I can later remind you about them. For that, you'll need to go to the Moto AI app first, and then go to and then you can go to the menu on the left side, then select Settings. Now you can find Personalization. Click on Got It. And make sure it's enabled. Then from now on it will work, so you just need to turn it on once and now it'll work. And you can see there's Remember This, which you can open to, for example, to add something here. So for example, when I click on Save a Memory, I can now say something that I wanted to remember. I can say it out loud or type it. I could also add a photo of for example, a receipt, hotel reservation, or something like that. Or I could say something like a door code. Hotel door code is 1234. Let's do it. Now the entry is being processed, and now it's been saved as a memory. And now when I use Moto AI, which is available by pressing and holding on the AI button, which is right here, what's the... Oh, I forgot. I had to click on the... So what's the door code to the hotel? I mean door, not dark, but...
The hotel door code is 1234.
Yeah, so as you can see, it does say it. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.